If you walk into any kitchen remodeled in the last decade, you're going to see the same thing. White cabinets, subway tile, and quartz countertops. That kitchen is no longer what buyers pay the most money for. I'm Justin Braithwaite, a real estate broker with over a decade of experience, and in this video, I'm covering the 4 kitchen upgrades that the research shows actually add value at resale, like the cabinet color buyers will pay almost $1,600 more for. Hint, it's not white. Or the countertop material outperforming every other stone. Hint, it's not quartz. And at the end, I'll cover the one question you need to answer before you spend $1 on any of this. 4 upgrades, all documented. Let's get into it. Chapter 1, the cabinet color that beats white. The typical advice to sellers is just paint your cabinets white. White is safe, white's bright, all buyers like it. It turns out that advice will cost you money. Zillow ran a study last year where they showed more than 4,000 buyers the same kitchens painted in different cabinet colors and asked what they'd pay for each. The winner wasn't white. It was muted olive green. Buyers said they'd pay an extra $1,600 more for it. Now, here's the caveat. What buyers say they'll pay for in a survey is not necessarily what they will actually pay, but it clearly shows preferences and lines up with what designers have been promoting for the past 3 years. Olive green has been the dominant kitchen color on Pinterest and Instagram design feeds, and surprise, surprise, buyers are now willing to pay extra for it. One warning, the same study found that a daisy yellow kitchen cost sellers almost $4,000 in reduced offers. So the lesson isn't just to go bold, it's to go bold in the right direction. Those are the cabinets. Wait until you hear what's happening with Granite. Chapter 2, the top countertop material. For decades now, Granite has been the most common countertop in American kitchens. In the last 10 years, Quartz has come on strong, and between the two of them, they're in just about every kitchen remodel. But neither one is the top performer at resale anymore. Zillow analyzed more than 2 million home sales in 2025. These were real sales, not a survey this time. They compared which features in listing descriptions correlated with homes selling for more than expected. In the kitchen, one material now leads. Quartzite. Homes with quartzite countertops sold for 5.3% more than comparable homes. Quartz came in at 3%, soapstone at 2.7%, and marble at 1.9%. Granite is considered so common that it just is the baseline now, no premium. On a $400,000 home, that 5.3% premium for quartzite is more than $21,000. Now, for those of you that don't know, quartzite and quartz are not the same thing. Quartz is engineered, while quartzite is a natural stone with one-of-a-kind veining. It handles heat, it's harder than granite. And in photos, it looks like the high-end kitchens buyers have been dreaming about. One caveat for maintenance. Quartzite needs periodic sealing because it's porous. That's the trade-off, but buyers are willing to pay more for it anyway. So, there's the countertops. But can you guess what 2/3 of renovated kitchens now have over the island? That's next. Chapter 3. What's above your island? Zillow's 2025 research found that homes described as remodeled sold for 3.7% more than expected. No surprise there. And turnkey homes sold for 2.9% more, which raises the question, which visual cues make a kitchen look renovated? Pendant lighting over the island is one. The company House tracked more than 1,600 renovated kitchens in 2025, and of the ones that had an island with overhead lighting, 2/3 chose pendants over the island. This is what buyers are being trained to recognize as a renovated kitchen now. Out of every upgrade in this video, this is the cheapest one to install, and when you do, your kitchen is more likely to read as renovated by buyers, which raises the question, if less costly upgrades like fixtures help you earn the premium, what about the expensive ones? Chapter 4, do gut remodels make money? When a kitchen feels dated, a lot of people's first instinct is to gut it and start with a clean slate. But according to the data, that's not usually the best idea if you're prioritizing return on investment. The 2025 Cost vs. Value report tracked remodeling returns across more than 100 markets. A minor kitchen remodel with surface-level updates like paint and new hardware returned 113%. It's the only interior project in the entire top 10 highest return on investment. The major kitchen remodel, like a gut job and a new layout, returned just 36%. You don't need me to tell you that that's a huge gap. The most visible signs of an aging kitchen are the cabinet color and the hardware. Paint the cabinets the olive green we talked about in the first chapter, swap the hardware for something simple, and you change two of the most visible items. A typical buyer doesn't see old cabinets with new paint, they see a modern renovated kitchen. But before you spend $1 on any of this, there's one important question to answer. Are you selling in the next year? If yes, this is the playbook. But if you're staying longer than a year, ignore everything I just said. Renovate the kitchen for yourself and your own tastes. People enjoy new kitchens more than any other renovation in the house. And a kitchen you actually love is worth more than a kitchen staged for a future when tastes will surely be different. So what do you think? Let me know below. I'm Justin Braithwaite. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. I put out new videos like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.